Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install and use my custom ZBrush macros. These macros make it super easy to toggle array symmetry on and off along the x-axis and to convert array meshes into regular geometry. You can download them from the link in the description. After downloading, you will get a zip file called ArraySymmetry. Just extract the contents into your ZBrush macros folder. By default, that's here. Now open ZBrush and go to the macros menu. If you don't see the new macros right away, click Reload all macros. Once that's done, you will see a new section called AP macros with 3 macros inside. I recommend assigning hotkeys to the array symmetry and convert array mesh macros. I've assigned a hotkey to the array symmetry macro. Now with one press I can turn symmetry on or off. To see what's happening, turn on the wireframe. You'll notice part of the mesh isn't real geometry. It's an instance created by the array mesh feature. There are a couple of advantages over the ZBrush standard symmetry approach. The first one is that you can turn the symmetry on and off even if the mesh has subdivision levels or layers. The second one, clip brush compatibility. Here is an example using standard symmetry. If I apply the clip curve brush, things get messy. But with array symmetry the problem doesn't happen. Just remember to turn off brush symmetry when using clip brushes, or you will run into the same issue. And the third advantage is the ability to set up double symmetry. This is really cool. You can combine local symmetry with array symmetry. If your mesh's pivot is positioned correctly, enable both symmetry. And you will have a mirror across 2 axes at once. Once you've done working with symmetry, you may want to convert the array mesh into real geometry. Use the Convert Array Mesh macro for that. If your mesh has subdivision levels, the macro will delete and reconstruct them after conversion. ZBrush may not be able to reconstruct complex or messy topology, and the macro will notify you if that happens. If your mesh has layers, they will need to be baked before converting, and the macro can handle that for you. If you run Convert Array Mesh on a mesh without array symmetry, it acts like a mirror and weld, but preserving subdivision levels when possible. The third and last macro converts all visible array meshes in your scene. Make sure to save your project before using it, just in case. There is one important thing. All these macros apply several steps at once. So if you want to undo, you might need to press Ctrl-Z a few times to fully go back. That's it. I hope you find these macros as useful as I do. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.